Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're featuring some great camping gear that will take your outdoor adventures to the next level. Whether you're a weekend camper or a seasoned explorer, having the right gear can make all the difference. We'll be showcasing lightweight tents, portable cooking gear, survival tools, waterproof gadgets, and more, everything you need for a comfortable and hassle-free camping trip. Ready to gear up for your next outdoor adventure? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below.
Number 6. EXOD Arc. The EXOD Arc is designed for those seeking immersive outdoor experiences without the typical constraints of traditional camping gear. With its innovative elevated full-pack design, the Arc combines the best aspects of tents and hammocks, providing a unique and versatile shelter that elevates camping to a new level. This article reviews the key features and performance of the EXOD Arc. Innovative design. The elevated full pack allows the Arc to freeze in the air, eliminating common issues found in tents and hammocks. This design offers an unparalleled camping experience by providing stability and comfort. Durable construction, inspired by kitesurfing technology. The exoskeleton of the Arc is made from materials known for their high resistance to strong winds and impacts. This ensures the Arc can withstand harsh outdoor conditions while being easy to set up and pack. Military-grade quality. The Arc is produced by an industrial partner that also manufactures inflatable hangars for the military. This partnership ensures the Arc meets high standards for durability, speed of installation, and technical performance. The tent can be equipped with covers to hide infrared signatures or for maintenance during bad weather. Lightweight carbon stretcher. Traditional camping stretchers weigh between 5 to 10 kilograms and are bulky. The Arc utilizes carbon tubes, reducing the weight to just 2.9 kilograms. The telescopic system allows for compact packing, making it easy to transport. Advanced materials. The round carbon fiber tubes are manufactured using the pultrusion technique, resulting in high mechanical resistance, lightness, rigidity, and durability. These tubes also offer excellent resistance to bending, torsion, fatigue, vibrations, oxidation, and corrosion. Custom-made fabrics. The Arc uses waterproof breathable fabrics with excellent abrasion resistance. These fabrics are designed to repel rain and moisture while allowing air and perspiration to Number 5. OZtrail Deluxe Cupboard Range. The OZtrail Deluxe Folding 4-Shelf Cupboard is a portable and compact storage solution designed for convenience and durability. Easy to assemble, this cupboard offers ample storage space with its 4 shelves, sturdy aluminum frame, and durable Oxford polyester fabric. It is lightweight and packs down flat for easy transport, making it an ideal choice for camping and outdoor activities. Sturdy aluminum frame. The frame is made from 19 mm round kinetic hardened aluminum tubes, providing robust support and stability. Durable fabric. The cupboard's skin is crafted from 600D Oxford polyester, known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. The shelf material is also 600D polyester, ensuring long-lasting use. Removable MDF shelves. The cupboard features removable MDF shelves that are easy to clean and maintain. The shelves provide ample space for storing various items, from camping gear to kitchen essentials. Side mesh pockets. Handy side mesh pockets offer extra storage for smaller items like keys or utensils, keeping them easily accessible. Sewn-in shelf supports. The shelf supports are sewn in, increasing the weight capacity of each shelf to hold up to 30 kilograms, lightweight and portable, weighing only 7.7 kilograms. The cupboard is lightweight and easy to transport. Number 4. Spark Infinite Firestarter. The Spark Infinite Firestarter is an innovative tool designed to make starting fires easy and efficient. Constructed from durable 304 stainless steel, this Firestarter is built to withstand high temperatures and provides a stable base for your fire building needs. Its simple design requires just 3 points of contact to level, ensuring stability on any surface where you might build a fire. Easy to use, the Spark Infinite Firestarter is straightforward to set up. Simply place it at the base of your fire with 3 points of contact to ensure it is stable. Durable construction. Made from 304 stainless steel, the Spark Infinite Firestarter is heat resistant and robust. Designed to handle the high temperatures of a fire. Alcohol fuel powered. Fill the Firestarter with your preferred alcohol fuel, such as rubbing alcohol. Be careful not to overfill to ensure safe operation. Versatile fire building. Once filled with fuel, carefully place wood on and around the Spark Infinite Firestarter. The recommended method is to log cabin the fire structure, although any method that avoids spilling fuel will work. Safe ignition. Use a long-handled lighter to ignite the Firestarter. Insert the lighter between the logs and light the fuel. Be aware that fuel vapor can ignite before the liquid, so it might light before the flame reaches the fuel. Importantly, never add fuel once the fire is lit to avoid accidents. Number 3. VBlanket. Introducing the VBlanket, the world's first portable, battery-powered heated blanket that doubles as a hooded cape. This innovative design allows you to stay warm while moving freely, making it perfect for any season. The VBlanket features LED lights for reading, camping, and cycling, providing both warmth and visibility. Revolutionary heating technology. The VBlanket uses a cutting-edge heating material woven with fibers, making it imperceptible and providing warmth within seconds. The evenly distributed heating zones can be adjusted to different levels for optimal comfort. Number 2. Fiskars Solid Machete. The Fiskars Solid Machete is designed for fast, powerful performance, making it an excellent tool for taming fast-growing vegetation on your patio and in your garden. This machete is particularly effective for clearing large areas with wide spouts. The ultra-sharp, rust-resistant blade is carefully shaped to handle a wide range of tasks, speeding up cleanup while keeping one hand free to stack trimmed branches. Blade design. The machete features a 15-inch, 38 cm blade ideal for trimming large areas of shrubbery, cutting thick branches, and handling fibrous palms. The hardened steel blade stays sharp through heavy use, and its rust-resistant, low-friction coating glides through tough materials without sticking. The curved blade profile helps prevent the blade from getting stuck in dense vegetation. Handle design. The performance handle is designed with an intelligent textured pattern. You can grip the top for precision work, the middle for general use, or the tip for swinging with maximum force. The contoured soft grip handle has a sculpted profile to fit the natural shape of your hand, featuring large dimples where fingers rest for grip and small dimples where the palm rests to help prevent blisters. The flared handle shape ensures the tool stays firmly in your hand when swinging with maximum force, and the extended grip allows you to squeeze closer to the blade for extra control during precision cuts. Number 1. Ready Rope, the ultimate rope and cord management tool. The perfect solution for rope and cord management, the Ready Rope is a compact and versatile tool designed to streamline the use and storage of cords and ropes. Preloaded with 100 feet of 550 paracord, this innovative dispenser makes it easy to access and use cordage for a variety of applications. Whether you're at home, in your workshop, on the road, or on an outdoor adventure, Ready Rope offers convenience and efficiency in managing your cordage needs. Preloaded with 100 feet of 550 paracord, Ready Rope comes preloaded with 100 feet of high-quality 550 paracord. This versatile cord has a diameter of 5/32 inches, 4 millimeters, and boasts a tensile strength of 550 pounds, 249 kilograms, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks.